Hey everyone, Keith Fernando, Wintrust Mortgage.
Liz Tolentino, Keller Williams.
All right guys, so we've been doing these videos for the last couple of months.
A few months now, yeah.
And I would say the last several videos we've been more so given some tips as far as closing costs, just different things that are involved in a real estate transaction. But I want to do a little bit of a recap. Now that we're coming to the month of May, we're through the first quarter of 19. Liz and I were sharing that really to start the year, that we were not going to be seeing a housing bubble, that the market was not crashing, that if anything we were seeing stability.
Right.
And as Liz has been sharing, really a year of opportunity, whether you're a buyer or seller.
Yeah.
So I just want to do a little bit of a recap now that we're through, again, the first quarter. Liz, on the real estate side, what have we seen so far?
We're seeing a strong real estate market, really. I mean, properties that are in a good area, that are priced well, can still count on getting offers within the first 15 days. Now, we have seen some slight increase in inventory, which gives buyers actually more options. And I think, in my opinion, it has gotten some buyers off the fence. So buyers that were thinking there's not a lot out there for me are now beginning to see a little bit more online and are beginning to think, well, maybe it is time to make this move. So we're seeing more of a normalized market than before. And I think there's a big reason why we haven't seen big, scary headlines regarding real estate on the news recently. And the reason is that there's not a lot of big, scary news to give anybody regarding real estate. It's still a strong market.
Yeah, there's really not a lot of negative data out there. The
Right.
media is very good at relaying that negative information. The positive information they tend to keep quiet.
Exactly.
And overall, things have been really positive. If anything, there's a lot of really healthy indicators that are within the real estate market across the U.S., Southern California, and more so particularly here in the Santa Clarita and the San Fernando Valley.
Right, exactly. And I think it says a lot that I know you study the market consistently. I do too. It says a lot that what we saw coming for the spring and summer, which we knew it was going to pick up. It's seasonal real estate. It does pick up around the spring, summer months. We knew that would happen. We also know that now that as we head into fall and winter, we don't see an immediate crash happening anytime soon.
Yeah, I think a really normal real estate market.
Right.
And we're going to see some cyclical signs throughout the year, but overall very healthy. The market's not crashing. We're seeing a lot of stability. Interest rates on my end, interest rates are still phenomenal. Well, not too far off the historic lows. We're still well in the 4% range as far as rates. And right now seeing things maybe tick up a little bit from the recent low that we hit where we got back to the low fours.
Right.
But historically, still really, really good and an ideal time to be looking at buying real estate.
I agree. 2019 really is that year of opportunity, and I really hope a lot of you think about taking advantage of it. And of course, if you have any questions, you can always call me.
And myself as well. Liz, how can they reach you?
They can reach me by calling 661-904-8471 or dropping me a message on Instagram or Facebook.
Yeah, I can be reached my cell 818-521-8515. Let us know if we can help. If you're just looking for some general information on the market, we'd love to share. Take care, guys.
Have a great weekend.